Some people don't need to raise their voice to show strength. They don't argue, they don't plead, and they don't fall apart just because someone tries to pull their strings. They move through life quietly, but with a kind of power you can't fake, and if you've ever met someone you couldn't push, guilt, or confuse. This is why. 1. They listen more than they speak. Most people talk to respond. These people talk to understand. They're not the ones jumping into every silence or oversharing their whole life story. They sit back and watch, and in that stillness, they catch every inconsistency, every shift in tone, every tiny manipulation you thought would slip past. Manipulators fear listeners because a calm listener forces them to reveal themselves. They're not silent because they're shy, they're silent because silence gives them clarity. 2. They don't explain themselves. People who can be controlled always explain, "I didn't mean it like that. I only said no because. I hope you don't get the wrong idea." But those who can't be manipulated, they don't play that game. They understand that when someone demands an explanation, it's rarely about understanding, it's about gaining leverage, so they keep their answers short, direct, final. No is enough, I'm not available is enough, my decision stands is enough. They don't defend their boundaries to people who never honor them anyway. 3. They stay calm when others react. When someone tries to provoke them, they don't match the chaos, they don't raise their voice, they don't get dragged into emotional drama. They understand that whoever loses their temper loses control, so they breathe, observe, respond slowly, not because they're unbothered, but because they refuse to give anyone the satisfaction of steering their emotions. Their calmness is not weakness, it's strategy, and manipulative people crumble when they run out of buttons to push. 4. They don't chase, not affection, not closure, not people who walk away to test loyalty. If someone pulls back, they don't run after them, they match the distance. If someone plays hard to get, they simply lose interest. They know that anything you have to beg for will eventually be used against you. Manipulators depend on your fear of being left behind, but strong people don't fear losing others, they fear losing themselves trying to keep someone who doesn't deserve the effort. 5. They see patterns. Fast, you lie once. They clock it, you guilt trip twice. They take note, you break a promise. They store it. These people don't wait for the 10th red flag. They recognize the first 3 and start adjusting. Their intuition isn't magic, it's observation. Most people fall for words, but they watch behavior, and behavior is the one thing manipulation cannot disguise for long. 6. They protect their peace like it's wealth. They don't argue with people who twist their words. They don't stay in conversations that drain them. They don't give access to people who take and take and take. Peace isn't nice to have for them, it's survival. They walk away quietly, remove themselves quietly, detach quietly, and the moment they feel their peace slipping, they step back without apologizing for choosing themselves. 7. They let silence speak. Their silence isn't passive, it's intentional. Sometimes their silence is a pause, sometimes a boundary, and sometimes it's the end. They don't rush to fill awkward moments, they don't rush to respond to emotional bait, and they don't rush to fix discomfort someone else created, because silence reveals everything. Who gets angry when you don't react? Who panics when you don't chase? Who shows their true intentions when the conversation stops? Their silence exposes the room and protects their soul. People who can't be manipulated aren't cold, they're just finally done abandoning themselves for the sake of keeping peace with the wrong people. They choose clarity over confusion, self-respect over approval, and calm power over emotional games. And once someone learns to hold that kind of quiet strength, no one ever gets to control them again.